Wondering how you're going to pay for school? Calling all students, recent graduates, and young adults. We're excited to announce our upcoming FAFSA workshops on August 13th, 20th, and 27th at 12 p.m. noon each day. Sant La has teamed up with United Way Miami and Educación for All for the Do the FAFSA Challenge. Join us to get expert guidance on completing your FAFSA application. Whether you're a high school student, a recent graduate, or a young adult, these workshops are designed to help you secure the financial aid you deserve. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your future. See you there.